Good day and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's little cute pattern is this cute little beauty in front of you. So it is called a bow tie booty because it ties up, of course. This is the sole. Here we have the top and the inside. Let me move this here. You will require some yarn. Booties don't take much yarn. A 3.5 millimeter hook, because I want to make this for a 0 to 3 month old child. So the correct size crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a darning needle or a smaller crochet hook to work your tail ends in. So let's start this. You will start with a slip knot. Once you have your slip knot, please chain 13. Once you have your 13 chain, you're going to make two double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. So in the 4th chain from the hook, 2 double crochets, please. 1 double crochet in each of the next 8 chain. In your very last chain, you're going to work 6 double crochets. You'll see by the time you put your 3rd one in, your work will turn. Work your tail away at the same time. That is my 6 double crochets. In each of the next 8 chain, you're going to work 1 double crochet each. In your very last chain, you will make 3 double crochets. To finish a row, you're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain. This is row 1 complete. For row 2, chain 3, DC 1 double crochet into the same stitch, 2 double crochet into the next 2 double crochets. So 2 double crochets into the next 2 stitches, each of the next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet in each of the next 8 stitches, 1 each. 2 double crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. One double crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. Two double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning. This is your sole made. You're now only going to work in the back loops. Chain 3, 1 double crochet in each stitch across, working only in the back loops. Let me repeat that. 1 double crochet in each of the stitches, but only work in the back loops. When you get to the end of row 3, you will have a total of 40 double crochets. Now I have a little knot. Let me unravel it. This is my 40th stitch, and I'm again going to slip stitch into the third chain. Now we have your booty should look like this. We are the fourth row, the last row you did is the top of the boat. For row 4, you're going to chain 3. For this round, please work in both loops. 1 double crochet in each of the next 9. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 9 stitches. So this is my 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now you're going to make a double crochet 2 together. I think I should show you that. So it's yarn over, go into your loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops. There'll be 2 remaining. Do the exact same thing in the next stitch. Yarn over, go into your stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops. You'll have 3 loops remaining. Yarn over and go through all 3 loops. You need to repeat that 9 more times. So you will have a total of 10 double crochets together. You can see it's tightening up the front of your booty where the toe section. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me make sure. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1 more double crochet together for me. So you should have a total of 10. In the last 10 stitches, you're going to make 1 double crochet in each of them. That's 1. That's the 10th one. Again, single crochet into the third chain. This is how your booty looks so far. Like a little ballerina slipper. For row 5, chain 3. 1 double crochet in each of the next 9 stitches. So that's my 9. Once you're done with your 9 double crochet, you're going to double crochet 2 together 5 times. Let me repeat that. Double crochet 2 together 5 times. That's once, twice, thrice. This is my 4th one. And my 5th one. Okay, let me just pull my yarn out there. So you can see the front of the bootie. It's going even more in. To finish this row, please work 1 double crochet in each of the next 10 stitches. This is the 10th one I'm working. And again, single crochet into the 3rd chain. Slip stitch for row 6 into the next 6 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now chain 33. Once you have your 33 chain, please slip stitch into the 2nd chain from the hook, and then 1 slip stitch in each chain until you come to the last chain. Slip stitch in that one as well, but it's basically 1 slip stitch across all these chains. When you get to the end of your chain, you will skip the next stitch and slip stitch into the following stitch. You will slip stitch into the next 9 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You will now chain 33. Once you have your 33 chain as per the other tie, you will slip stitch into the 2nd chain and then slip stitch in each chain until you come to the end of your chain. Once you've worked your last slip stitch in the last chain, skip the next stitch and slip stitch into the following stitch. Slip stitch into the remaining stitches. So I'm back where I was. You can either slip stitch into that stitch. I'm going to cut my yarn, pull my tail out, and make an invisible stitch quickly. Don't pull it too much. I don't like working knots on booties, so I normally go through a few stitches and go back 1 to secure. I don't want any bumps to irritate the little one's feet. And I'm cutting my tail, and that's it. So if you have a child or if you want to make a bootie for a 3 to 6 month old child, here's it here. So this here I made with a 3.5 millimeter hook. You can see the size difference. Let me just get this to actually stay in here. And then this one I made with a 3.75 millimeter hook, and it is for a child of 3 to 6 months. So for 6 to 9 months, please use a size 4. So I'm going up by 0.25, 0.25 for the hook sizes. Alternatively, you can keep the size hook, 3.5 millimeter hook, and change your yarn to a bigger size yarn. When you're doing this pattern, the only thing you need to do if you change your yarn is to make sure that the size of the sole is correct. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Now I've got a size 3 to 6 months here and a size 0 to 3 months there. I think I should put a label and post this as a short. Anyway, enjoy your day. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Drop me a comment. Most importantly, enjoy your crocheting, no matter what you're making. And if you'd be so kind, hit subscribe there, hit like, share, do all of those things. But thank you so much for watching. This is the Queen Phoenix out. I'll get you on the next vid.